are the odd numbers?
1, 2.
No, the odd numbers. What are the odd numbers? 1,
1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
9, and
11, 13, 15, 17, 19.
yes, then
21, 23,
23.
25, 27, 29.
And 29 only.
Yeah, only 31.
31, okay. Those are the odd numbers.
Yeah.
And what are the even numbers?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30.
Okay,
That
those,
is odd evens.
yeah, those are the odd and even.
Yeah.
Okay, very good, PJ.